Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a quick pre-nap clean with me. My main goal of this is to just kind of clean up the declutter that happened over the weekend. I don't know about you all, but in my house I very rarely clean on the weekends. I am a stay-at-home mom of 5, so during the week I have ample time to be able to clean, and I kind of like to clean and prepare on Friday for the weekend. So then I kind of enjoy my family and not have to do too many chores. However, this weekend the dishes did get away with us. My daughter wanted to do a ton of baking, and this is honestly the first time that my sink has been clean this entire weekend, so this feels good. But I'm just going to start by resetting the kitchen and then move on to a few other items on my list. This weekend I also cleaned out my car, and I have a mess of stuff that I pulled out of the car that needs to be organized and put back away. So I'm going to tackle that, clean all the rooms in my main space, and just try to get everything reset for the day. So if you need some cleaning motivation, keep on watching.
Living in a daydream, everything inside out. Listen to your heartbeat, I'm waking to the sound. We got second chances to make the most of it. I can see that our new love was an open door. You and I, taking all this time. I wanna go back, but love was an open door. Oh, you know, we're stronger than before. And I can remember our new love was an open door. Won't take it for granted.
Now that the kitchen is cleaned, I am moving on to organizing this mess that I pulled out of my car. Like I said, I finally took the time this weekend to clean out. I call it a car, it's really a bus. I drive a 12-passenger van because if you are new to my channel, then you don't know that I have 5 kids and I have one on the way. So once we hit 5 kids, the regular SUVs and minivans were just not working for us anymore. We needed more space, and so we bought a bus. I actually have a full video documenting that process, and I'll link it right here in the cards. It's actually pretty funny. But anyways, over the winter, we had not cleaned out the bus at all, and it was disgusting. If there was a way for me to get good angles inside there, I would have totally recorded a cleaning video because it would have been great motivation. But I did kind of put the whole process in my Instagram stories, so I'm going to go ahead and put my handle for Instagram right here. I share a lot of behind the scenes of my regular life over there. So now that I have the stuff put away from the car and have my dining room reset, I am moving into my front room. My front room is essentially like more of a formal sitting space, but it also has a bunch of toys up here. My little boys love to play with their trains up here, even though we have a big basement area to do so. And then in this particular basket, there is always a ton of toys. I cover it with a blanket so you can't see it, but every once in a while I really just have to go through this and declutter it because a lot of toys get brought up from downstairs and it's just more simple to throw them in this basket than it is to take them back downstairs and organize them. So I decided that today was the day. I am going to go ahead and make them into piles. I'm going to sort them by type, and then I'm going to use Kroger bags to just organize the things that I need to take downstairs. That way it's easier for me to put them away down in the basement once I get there.
First light, first time I see it, and I want so much, so real, so close, I can taste it, and I want that touch. I'm trying to feel it all around me. You make me feel alive, no hiding, I need it all.
going to tackle during this post-nap clean with me is going to be my main living space. This room, like I've said a million times before, is the room where we do life. So over the weekend, it got pretty messy. I even had a train of vanilla wafers on my coffee table because why not? That is life with boys summed up in one thing. Like there's always something that you find and you're just like, that's super cute, but what were they thinking? So I'm just going to spend this time cleaning up this main space and getting it reset. That way I can enjoy a little bit of peace and quiet during quiet time as well.
Living in the dark, looking for a spark. I feel it coming, I feel it coming. Waiting for the chance, trying to understand. Time keeps running.
That reset feels so good, and it's really going to help me just be able to decompress after a long morning of momming and enjoy a little bit of quiet time. What do you all like to do during your nap time? Or the baby's nap time, I should say. I like to sit, watch some shows. Sometimes I read my Bible. I love to eat my food in peace. And sometimes I even take a nap. Let me know in the comments below what you do while your kids are napping. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you need some more cleaning motivation, I'm going to insert some more videos right here. So be sure to click on those and keep on cleaning.